How we doing today, man? It's your boy BJ and Trades. Hey, man, today was a wonderful day. You get me? One trade on the Forex account on gold, and then the other two trades, not actually, it was three trades on futures account. Two losses on futures account, one win, recover my losses, and then obviously I still managed to end the day green. White on gold, it was just one setup during the stream, and then it just went up for like crazy points. Obviously, we're just trying to scalp in it. So we're trying to scalp and see what we can get. But yeah, it still went up for minimum points. And okay, so let me just get into the trade quickly. So obviously, I'm bullish for the day on gold. You know, after we made this candle on the daily chart, yeah, I knew price is still gonna keep buying off. Although this doji candle was due to a sell off, I don't know for what reason. Traded back up here and then had to reject. But yeah, that's by the way. After this candle, I was bullish, so go back to the 1 minute time frame. Looking for a quick scalp on the lower time frame. Uh, what is going on with this? Why is it glitching? I don't know why this shit is glitching, bro. I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna switch it on, yeah. Yeah, so on the daily chart, yeah, you can see we do have this candle right here. So I was bullish, like I said. So we'll go down to the 1 minute time frame. We're looking for a quick scalp. For just maybe 20 pips, and then just quick scalp in it. And then obviously you can see right here we have this gap. So like I said, I was bullish. I've seen some manipulation of this low. We've stepped Asia already. We ranged. We delivered to the upside. So I was bullish. I knew price was gonna come all the way down into a PDRA, accumulate before going up. So what was that thinking? This is where, this is what we saw at the stream. So we met the price right here. So it was dropping, manipulating to this gap right here, and then after that we made this low. So before price went back up, yeah, we should have taken this long right here. So manipulation into this PD array, and then we're just looking for a reversal. So we get the manipulation there, we invest this gap, and then I just didn't take it. Like I genuinely said, nah, man, I'm not gonna take this. I'm just gonna wait and see what price does. Because I've seen this before. I've seen price multiple times invest a gap, and then just still manipulates me. So it's just kind of crazy stuff in it. I was just like, I'm just gonna wait. So we made that low. From there, we deliver to the upside. We failed to take out this high, and then we just sell off. So after selling off, yeah, I was thinking, okay, price is still gonna respect this PDRA, this bullish PDRA, and after we've taken out this low. So this is a total soup. It's actually a good strategy to trade as well. Said by ICT. You see a swing low, in a gap, and obviously you still want to see price take out the swing low and still respect the gap, then deliver back to the like normal direction. And yeah, we get the total swoop of this low, and then we'll just we'll bought the bottom from there, and then it just went for like crazy points. So we actually exit trade right at this high. So we exit all positions. Everyone took it. Some people got the entry right on this candle right here, and then it still went up. We just exit the trade, and it was just a good trade, man. Like proper good trade. Nothing to be sad about. And I have a reason for not taking the first one, just because I've seen it multiple times. Whereas we invest this gap, we manipulate into some period where we invest a gap, and the price to come all the way down to take out that low and still go back up. So this is just something I think I have a picture of something like this before, but not on gold, but on NQ. So that's just it. That's just by the way, man. So one win on gold today on the stream. Like I said, if you want to join the Telegram group, it's absolutely easy, bro. It's for free, but you get free source, free gems, everything free. You don't have to pay for anything. You just come, turn up for the live stream, and then we just look for a trade. Yeah, and on the futures account, I took two free. No, actually, it was free setup. So the first two setup, you know, I was so offside, bro. I was so pissed. So the first setup here was okay. I've seen the manipulation of this low, yeah. So I was looking for a trade. I was looking for a reversal. So I've seen the manipulation of this low. Uh, Now we'll make this 1 minute fair value gap because I was bullish. I was looking for buy position. So we made this bullish fair value gap right here. We invest the gap. So I was looking for longs. I actually got it right here. So I got my first trade right here. And then he just like keep wicking. I'm like, why is it wicking? And I realized, you know, we invest a gap and price is still, using that PD array like a resistance zone. So right here you can see after we invest this gap, yeah, we've taken out some highs. I think we did have an SMT with this high on ES. So SMT is like a situation where NQ take out a high and then ES fail to take out the high. So it's like a correlation. So they're going the same way, but at, like at this point it's like one of them failed to to move the same direction. So ES made this high, took out the high, NQ failed to take out the high. So we have SMT. So I was looking for sells. We invest this gap and then we sell off. We took this low. Now we're reversing. So we invest this 1 minute and I was looking for buys. And I got in right there. It was actually 20 points. And then I got stopped out for the first trade. This trade, I'll take it all day, man, because we took out this low. Like, there's no point for price to say, okay, let me just keep going down. If we're bullish, if we're truly bullish, you know, after we took out this low, it should go up from here. But I don't know, for no reason, it got me cooked. Well, yeah, that's by the way, that's the first one. Second one was long. I was just so naive. I was just trying to long again. Well, I think my second trade was right on here. So same idea, bro. Same idea, same scenario, same everything. Uh, so got the manipulation of these low. Now you can see right here, we manipulate this low, right? We manipulate this one, yeah. So price went down, took out this low. Now I'm still looking for reversal for longs. So I saw this low, yeah. I said, okay, this is a low. Now we've inversed this candle right here, which gives us a change in the state. So CISD, so manipulation of this low, and then we have the CISD right here. So I was thinking, okay, I might try longs here. It was going sideways, and then before you know, I just got clapped again. Like it just went down. Then I realized I was offside, so I had to just, like be patient, and then just my last trade was a short position right here, because I realized, okay, you might want to trade down to, take out some lows, like maybe on a high time frame. There's actually a low price wants to take out, so I was just patient enough, which was no, I think it was on the 15 minute. I saw some lows there. Yeah, which was this sell side right here. This dodgy candle right here. So I thought price is gonna take out that low, that's the draw. And then I just, I had to change my direction. I got clapped twice trying to long. So, and I just changed my direction. So this trade went for like 50 points. Yeah, 50 points though. And recover my two previous lows and I was still up for the day. This is the thing about risk management, bro. My first two trade, I was offside. I realized I was offside. I was down. I think I think 0.5% on the 50K. So you do your calculation, and then before you know, I was like, damn, I'm down twice. But I'm like, I took two losses like back to back. What is gonna happen now? And I was just like, okay, man, you know what you're gonna do? Just chill, and then just, look for a good trade. Took the trade right, yeah, and it just went for 50 points. Yeah, and that was what I did, and pretty much the rest of the day was good. Like this could have been a good trade as well if I was trading as well. So manipulation of this low, which is sell side liquidity. Or this is a low, swing low. We made it. This swing low made this high. Then we traded back to this low. We took out this low, and then we see consolidation, then distribution. So along the way, we made a fair value gap, which was the quote original distribution. So you can see on this run, there's actually no gap. There's a gap. We still respect the gap though. So this would have been the first, accumulation. So first distribution would be right here, because it's a fair value gap. So we respect the PD array, and then we distribute to the upside, which is meant to be, because we've taken out sell side, accumulate, distribution right here, respect this fair value gap, redistribution, respect this fair value gap again, redistribution, uh, IFBGs right here again, uh, which is right here, invest the gap, redistribution again, and then from there, pretty much the rest of the day was just sideways, sideways, sideways. But yeah, pretty decent day. 3 trades on the futures account, 1 trade on the forex account. And yeah, that was it for today, man. That was what I did. Appreciate every single one of you for watching my videos. Catch you in the next one.